Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into something incredibly important, financial freedom. But what exactly is financial freedom? It's the ability to live the life you want without being tied down by financial obligations. It's about being in control of your finances instead of letting them control you. Now, you might be wondering, how does frugal living fit into this? Well, frugality isn't about depriving yourself, but rather about making mindful decisions on how you spend your money. It's a tool that can help pave your way to financial freedom. It's about choosing to spend money on things that truly matter to you and saving on those that don't. And in this year, 2024, there are countless ways to live frugally without sacrificing your quality of life. So, are you ready to discover the 7 best frugal living hacks for financial freedom in 2024? Let's get started. If you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. First up, we have the cornerstone of frugality, budgeting. Now, budgeting might sound like a tedious task, but it's actually a game changer when it comes to managing your finances. It's essentially a roadmap that guides you towards your financial goals. Think about it. You wouldn't embark on a journey without a map, right? Similarly, the journey towards financial freedom begins with a well-planned budget. It's all about knowing where your money is going and, more importantly, directing it where you want it to go. So, how do you create an effective budget? Start by tracking your income and expenses. Yes, every single penny. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. Then, allocate your income to different categories like housing, food, transport, and savings. Remember to be realistic and flexible because life happens and sometimes budgets need to be adjusted. Now, the real magic of budgeting comes into play when it helps you identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe you're spending too much on dining out or subscriptions you barely use. These small changes can add up and contribute significantly towards your savings. Budgeting also encourages mindful spending. It makes you think twice before making impulsive purchases. Instead, you learn to prioritize your spending based on your needs and financial goals. Remember, a budget isn't a restriction. It's a tool for financial empowerment. It gives you control over your money and moves you closer to financial freedom. So, embrace the budget and watch your journey towards financial freedom become a lot smoother. Our second hack involves rolling up your sleeves. It's DIY time. Do-it-yourself isn't just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. A lifestyle that can save you a surprising amount of money and make you more self-reliant. From home repairs to cooking, going the DIY route is a fantastic way to cultivate frugality. Think about it. Every time you pay someone else to do something you could do yourself, you're spending unnecessary money. Fixing a leaky faucet, painting a room, or preparing a home-cooked meal might take some time and effort, but the savings can add up significantly over time. Moreover, the sense of accomplishment and confidence you gain from mastering new skills is priceless. You become less dependent on others and more capable of handling whatever life throws your way. So, before you outsource, think about if you can do it yourself. Start small, build up your skills, and watch your savings grow. It's time to embrace the power of DIY. Next up, we're talking about mindful spending. So what exactly is mindful spending? It's about being present and intentional with every dollar you part with. It's about knowing the value of your money and using it in a way that aligns with your financial goals. Now, contrast this with mindless spending. That's when you're swiping your card left and right without a second thought, often leading to regrettable purchases and a depleted bank account. Mindful spending, on the other hand, takes discipline and practice. It's about asking yourself the tough questions before making a purchase. Do I really need this? Could this money be better spent or saved elsewhere? It's about understanding that every purchase is a trade-off and making sure it's one you're comfortable with. In the grand scheme of frugal living, mindful spending is a game changer. It's about making the most of what you have and ensuring that every dollar is working towards your ultimate goal, financial freedom. Remember, every dollar you spend is a dollar less towards your financial freedom. Our fourth hack is all about simplicity. Embrace minimalism. Minimalism is a lifestyle choice that encourages the shedding of excess, the unnecessary, the clutter. It's about focusing on what's truly important in life, and this can have a profound effect on your financial health. By choosing to live with less, you naturally spend less. And that's a key to frugality. But minimalism isn't just about spending less, it's about creating space. Space in your home, space in your life, space in your budget. It's about making room for the things that truly matter. Experiences over possessions, quality over quantity, and time over money. The benefits of minimalism are manifold. It can lead to less stress, more freedom, and yes, more financial stability. So, if you're looking to take control of your financial future, consider embracing minimalism. Remember, minimalism isn't about having less, it's about making room for more of what matters. Moving on to our fifth hack, invest in quality. Now, when we say invest in quality, we don't mean splurging on the most expensive items, but rather focusing on the value an item brings in the long run. You see, it's easy to get lured by the low price tag of a product, but often these products are of lower quality and don't last as long. You might think you're saving money at the moment, but when the item breaks or wears out, you'll have to replace it, which costs more money in the end. On the other hand, a quality item might cost a bit more upfront, but it tends to last longer, perform better, and even save you money over time. For instance, a well-made pair of shoes or a sturdy kitchen appliance may feel like a big expense initially, but they will save you from repeated replacements, thus contributing to your frugal living goals. But remember, it's not just about physical products. Investing in quality also applies to experiences, relationships, and even the food you eat. Choose fresh, nutritious ingredients over cheap, processed food. Opt for meaningful experiences over mindless entertainment. Cultivate relationships that enrich your life rather than drain it. Investing in quality is about making conscious choices that bring long-term value and happiness. It's about being frugal without compromising your well-being. So, the next time you need to make a purchase, ask yourself, is it worth it in the long run? Will it bring value to my life? If the answer is yes, then it's a quality investment. Quality is an investment in your future. Our sixth hack is a frugal favorite. Utilize free resources. This hack is all about making the most out of what's available to you without spending a dime. The library, for instance, is a treasure trove of free resources, offering books, magazines, DVDs, and even online access to various databases. It's a one-stop shop for entertainment and knowledge. The internet is also a goldmine of free resources. Websites like Coursera and Khan Academy offer free online courses in a wide range of subjects. Learn a new language, brush up on your coding skills, or even take a course in personal finance. All from the comfort of your own home and without spending a penny. Remember to also look for free events in your local community. Concerts in the park, free museum days, and local festivals can provide hours of entertainment at no cost. Remember, the best things in life are often free. Finally, our seventh hack for frugal living: plan ahead. It's more than just a cliche, it's a lifestyle choice that can unlock significant savings. Planning is the compass that guides our financial ship. Let's take meals, for instance. By planning your meals for the week, you can buy in bulk, reduce waste, and avoid costly last-minute takeouts. The same principle applies to vacations. Planning your holiday well in advance allows you to snag early bird deals, cheaper flights, and discounted accommodation. It's all about anticipation. Anticipate your needs, your wants, and your future expenses. The magic of planning is that it gives you control over your finances. You're no longer reacting to life, you're actively shaping it. And this proactive approach can make a world of difference to your wallet. So make planning a habit, whether it's for your groceries, your vacations, or your retirement. Remember, a little planning now can save a lot of money later. And there you have it, the 7 best frugal living hacks for financial freedom. Let's do a quick recap. Embracing the budget is your first step towards control over your finances. Mastering the art of DIY can save you a fortune in the long run. Mindful spending is about making every dollar count. Embracing minimalism helps you focus on what truly matters. Investing in quality saves you from recurring costs of replacements. Utilizing free resources is all about making the most of what's available. And planning ahead ensures you're ready for whatever comes your way. These 7 hacks are interlinked, each playing a crucial role in your journey towards financial freedom. They are not quick fixes, but lifestyle changes that will help you spend less, save more, and live better. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. So start living frugally today to secure your future. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, hit that like button, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep saving and keep hustling.